I'm glad to see each one of you on my channel. As you can see from the title, today's video is not gonna have a happy ending. Watching videos about trading, you may think that everyone has only profitable trades. It seems like every trade increases their assets. The real situation is different. Today you're gonna know about my X dollars failure, even though I was quite sure of success. Everyone loves success stories when traders make lots of money. You've seen a couple of cases of that kind in the previous videos. Anyway, I don't want to get you a wrong impression, so it's time to learn the other side of trading. So let's see how I lost my money. My name is Faye, and I'm glad to see each one of you on my channel. I see that the views are growing and the number of subscribers is getting bigger every day. It really inspires me and motivates me for creating new videos. It means that things that I do are really interesting and important. I'd like to tell thank you to everyone for your support. Thank you so much, tomorrow's millionaires. And for those who are new on my channel, I've been trading for 3 years. Today I have a team of skilled traders that share their experience with everyone and give tips on successful exchange trading. We are not limited to YouTube, by the way, so there is a Telegram channel with regular tips and news about trading. Both skilled and fresh traders find this information valuable. The link is below. Subscribe! If you text me a private message, I will add you to my VIP channel. It's the place where I share signals regularly. Join our community and start making money with me. You might think something like, why do you share your fails? It's for you not to relax your guard while trading. You should be always ready for bad luck. The earlier you understand that trading is not that easy, the better for you. Thoughts like that make you soft and less concentrated. It's a straight ticket to a bad trade. Always keep in mind that the only safe place for your money is your bank account. Whenever you get into the trade, it's no longer yours. It turns into investment that is either bigger or gone. Be ready for a bad scenario. It will help you to be okay with failures and save your mental health. So here's a really important tip. You should use the amount of money in trades that you won't feel sorry about if you fail. Never risk the money your life depends on. And of course, never trade with borrowed money. You might say, Faye, it's so pure and simple. Why would you even share something that obvious? My fairy-like, I could agree if there were no stories about so many people run into debt, put their homes on the market and have nothing but loans. And all that's because of losing trades. The exchange also others thrill. At this moment, reason takes a backseat and emotions come to the fore. Trading does not tolerate that. Emotions must be shut off when trading. One more thing, don't blame yourself for a mistake. You can't win unless you learn how to lose. Try not to look at a bad trade as the end of the world. Keep in mind that your decisions are only half the battle. So many things influence the chart and they can't depend on you. Don't beat yourself up if your forecast was wrong. It is very likely that it was not your fault. Another thing is the balance of risk and profit. You can always calculate how your possible win relates to the money you risk. I must point out the fact that there are no perfect values. Each trader chooses the way that suits them best, but I would suggest settling on a ratio of 1 to 3. It means the possible profit is 3 times as much as the money you risk. If it's smaller, the risk might not pay off. Putting 100 on the line for $20 win just makes no sense. It's much better to use this money for more attractive trades. But if the difference between the position volume and the profit is too big, think twice whether there is a chance to have a trade like that. It's up to you anyway. Well, let me tell you what happened and how I lost the money I invested. I've decided to trade Matic. Let's look at the time frame. The chart stopped in the order block test after a long-running growth. Order block is the gray zone right here. There is an imbalance within the order block. It's shown in blue. After that, a long adjustment took place. I think the chart will go up. Besides, we see the imbalance resolving followed by the reaction at several points, so the chart looks stepped. The structure is broken in one place, and there is liquidity pole in the bottom. You can also see the imbalance here, slightly higher on the chart. I'd like to enter the trade on the lower time frame. Note that the price is in the order block zone. It was the last position value before a sharp impulse. It is a trigger point. And open the exchange to get into the trade. Order price shows the highest amount of coins I can use in this trade. Leverage will be x10. Take profit is set for 1.1697, while stop loss is 1.1173. I double check all the trade details and open the trade. Now we should just wait for the result. Well, it's time to see the result. Guys, it seems that I was wrong. Yes, the forecast turned out to be false. My mistake was that I didn't mind the imbalance in the chart bottom, as well as the order block. This was the best point to get in, but I was too hasty about setting a limit with a stop below this low point. That's why I lost $2,500. Well, what can I say? Everyone makes mistakes. My fairy-like, please remember, whenever anyone promises you a success, they're more likely to be scammers, especially in investing. Losing trade is a common thing even for experienced traders, those who've made millions become bankrupt. There is no insurance for a failure. That's why I keep talking about risks and possible losses. Do not let one mistake lead you astray. You shouldn't give up trading after a few failures. I would advise you to see it not as a defeat, but as an experience that gives you knowledge. Mistakes should not discourage you, but make you analyze the situation and identify the moment when you made a wrong decision. Study the chart, think of the factors that caused wrong conclusions. Try to realize the reason why your forecast wasn't right. Examine also the factors that changed the situation. Try to understand whether this scenario could have been forecasted. Could this move have been foreseen? Or was the situation affected by unexpected factors that could not have been predicted in any way? When you answer these questions, you could make important conclusions that might be used for new trades. The main thing is to draw a good lesson even from bad luck. You must admit that it's better to lose $100 and use this experience for a successful trade of $1,000 than make $100 and then get carried away and lose $1,000. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and allow notifications so that you won't miss my new videos. Follow me on the social media as well, and the links are below. See you next time, my fairy likes!